In a dense forest, there lived a clever fox named Felix. Felix was known for his intelligence and kindness. One sunny afternoon, while wandering near a river, Felix heard a faint cry for help. He rushed towards the sound and found a crane stuck in a hunter's net. "Crane, help! Please, someone help me." Without a second thought, Felix bit through the net and freed the crane. "Crane, thank you so much, Felix. I owe you my life. How can I ever repay you?" "Felix, there's no need for repayment, my friend. Always be kind and help others in need. That's the greatest reward." The crane was deeply moved by Felix's kindness. Days passed, and one day, Felix found himself in trouble. He had fallen into a trap set by the same hunter. Felix tried to escape but couldn't. "Felix, oh no! How will I get out of this trap?" Just then, the crane, who was flying overhead, saw Felix struggling. Remembering the fox's kindness, the crane swooped down and used her sharp beak to loosen the trap. Soon, Felix was free. "Felix, thank you, my dear friend. You saved my life." "Crane, I only did what you taught me, Felix. Kindness always comes back." From that day on, Felix and the crane became the best of friends. They always helped each other and those in need. They spread the message of kindness throughout the forest. And so, the moral of the story is, kindness begets kindness. Always be kind to others, and kindness will find its way back to you. The end.